It's here.
It's here.
Atoll.
My new
Atoll. Inflatable stand-up paddleboard. Yee! 11:32. All right. Let's. Oh, I ain't got my knife. Hold on. Where's my knife? There it is. There it is. Okay. Ready? We'll open this up. Oh, look at that. Check it out.
Do we want to flip it upside down or try to pick that up?
Here, hold that for a second. Big reveal. Oh, it comes with...
This is a stand-up paddle.
Oh, okay.
So I'll get to maybe try that one.
Yeah. So... Oh, that's your
That's the leash. Yeah.
What is that? Part of the pump or something?
Maybe that's a repair kit?
I have no clue.
I don't know.
Constructions. That's the pump? I thought it... Oh, it came with its own little pump.
It came with like a hand pump.
Cool. Then you got the user manual. And then you got its own bag.
Yeah, because you can like...
Oh, and there goes your fin.
Theoretically, backpack, hike in somewhere.
Okay. All right, you ready? Here we go. All right. Does it keep going? Oh, it keeps going all the way down. Okay. So 3/4 of the way. Oh man. All right, let's see. You got your little strap here. How wide was it on the side?
Oh, it's so pretty. I like the color.
Yeah, it's awesome. This thing is long.
That's 11 foot.
Is that the same size we've been getting?
I think the last paddleboard I got was like 10 something. Back up, baby.
This is gonna be awesome, man. Okay. Do you want to try to blow it up?
Yeah, I want to see if the pump will work.
Okay.
I also ordered the electric pump. So, I got the hose and this thing.
15.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 15.
Oh, 15?
Yeah. So we're fixing to take the paddleboard out for our first little spin. We're at my husband's family lake house. So yeah, got the board, got the bag, got the pump, paddle, a life vest. Sally's over there eagerly awaiting lake time. Ooh. Sal, is this a new toy? Is that a new toy? Is that a new toy? You give me that. You give me that. You give me that. So far, so good. So I paddled about halfway out to the island for my first trip. It's a short little paddle on Lake Keowee. Sally, what do you think about the new board? You like it? Plenty of room for you to lay? But it's funny because she just lays like on my leg. Like she won't. If she's behind me, she gets my back, and if she's in front of me, she's basically in my lap. She's a good girl. But the bag's doing good. It's easy to access for the most part, unless I'm sitting behind her and then I have to get off the board to access. But anyway, we're back on the board and paddle back. Because I'm doing a longer trip tomorrow, so I don't want to wear myself out today. Sorry, Sal.
Seems like it goes fast.
That's because of that nose.
Oh, okay.
Because it kind of cuts through instead of just bouncing off.
anything?
I didn't see anything. I saw a bunch of fog. That was nice.
Fog is nice.
They had that there, the luminary stuff, because like I saw a thing for like St. Augustine, Florida, where they did that. Okay, so I just started my watch a good ways downstream, but so far the paddling on the river's been nice. Yeah.
But he's, yeah.
What you think, Sal? Yeah. Yeah. So this is about, it's a little over 2 miles. It's like probably about 2 3/8 or something miles.
Since I've been an adult yet. Oh, okay. I never learned.
What is it?
No, I can't even use it. My phone's too hot. It's overheating. Whole of Bridgerton from start to finish.
Oh, really? No, I don't know what eats turtles. So there's the main like tourist area of Chimney Rock, Lake Lure. And that's it. It's been a great day. See y'all next time.